Hi, my name is Attorney Stuart Sandweiss, and I'm here to talk to you today about property taxes and what to do if you don't have enough money to pay your property taxes. Well, in Michigan, people get worried because if you don't pay your property taxes, ultimately you could lose your property through a tax foreclosure. But it's really a 3-year period. Property taxes in general are billed on July 1st and on December 1st, and they come due. The July ones are usually due sometime in August, either the 14th to the 31st of August. The December ones are usually due around the middle of February, 14th of February, sometimes as late as the 28th of February, depending upon the city you live in. If you don't pay your summer property taxes or your winter property taxes by the end of February, by February 28th or 29th in a leap year of the year following when they were assessed, then you can't pay them at the city level anymore. They go over to the county. You get hit with a 4% penalty, but you still own the property. You then have another year until February 28th of the second year, in which case you can pay whatever's owed plus the penalty and so forth, or interest, and pay them off. You pay it at the county, and you still keep the property and everything is fine. If you still can't do it, well, then after February 28th, the property forfeits to the county, and you then have a year or 13 months to redeem the property by paying the amount of the foreclosure of the taxes. Otherwise, at the end of March 31st, on the third year, you lose the property completely. The question comes then, what do you do if you don't have the money? So at the end of the second year, when it comes February 28th and you're 2 years behind, one of the suggestions we make to people is file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Because what that does is if you file the Chapter 13 bankruptcy by February 28th, it stops the clock. So the property then does not forfeit to the county, and you get the opportunity to pay the arrearage back over a 3 to 5 year period. If that fails and you don't do the bankruptcy by then, you have the same opportunity by March 31st of the third year. Again, it stops the clock and it gives you extra time to be able to work out a payment plan and so forth. If you don't do anything, though, after 3 years, you will lose the property, and we really don't want you to do that. If you got any questions, you want to know what you should do about a tax foreclosure, please feel free to shoot me an email, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, and have a great day.